Hey everyone, Adrian Morrison here, and in this video, we are going to discuss creating a look-alike audience from your fan page fans. So when you are advertising on behalf of your fan page, it could be any fan page, it doesn't matter. In this course, we go over generic fan pages, as well as niche fan pages. Anybody that clicks like on your fan page and becomes a fan becomes an extremely valuable user because they actually subscribed to your fan page. It's almost like opting in to an email address. So people that go as far as to like your fan page become extremely valuable people. They have a high affinity for liking whatever it is that you're advertising. And Facebook will actually look at all of the people on your fan page, identify similarities, and they will create for you a brand spanking new target audience for you to use called a lookalike audience. These would be people that Facebook believes are very similar to the people that like your fan page, which makes them very valuable. All right, so I want to show you just a quick example of a fan page and what I'm talking about, and then I want to show you how you can create a lookalike audience from your fan pages. So let's dive into Facebook. Okay, so here we are on a Facebook fan page. This is actually my brother's fan page, and you can see here that the DestinFlorida.com fan page has 243,000 fans. That's a lot of people. Now, we could agree that all of these people probably like what? Going to the beach. Where? In Destin, Florida. Or they have a high affinity for enjoying beach vacations. So if your e-commerce store sells stuff like beach toys, rafts, and what is it? There's these really cool coolers that have wheels on them that go in the sand. There's just so many different things. Custom towels that have funny sayings on them. Huggies and koozies. You know, there's a whole entire slew of things that you could advertise to people that like the beach, right? So you could come in here and say, hey, Facebook, look at all 243,000 of these people. Identify what they all have in common, age group, gender, interests, and create for me a lookalike audience based off of all of this data. And you could find some really cool stuff happening here. I mean, if you have a fan page about country music or pets or any niche specifically, you can create lookalike audiences that will crush it because Facebook knows their users. So to do this, what you would do is jump into your Facebook ads account. Okay, so we are in my Facebook ads account, and we're gonna go ahead and create a lookalike audience from a fan page. So we're gonna click on Tools, and then we are going to hit Audiences. And now we are in our audience section of our Facebook ad account. Now what we have to do is just create a lookalike audience, and this is just like creating any other lookalike audience I've shown you. It's just now we're doing it from a fan page. So you go to Create Audience and then hit Lookalike Audience. And when you get here, it's going to say Source and Country. So you are going to find your custom audience, your fan page in this box right here. See, it says choose a custom audience, a conversion tracking pixel, or a page. Okay, so let's click in the box and it's going to drop down all of my stuff. All right, so you'll notice here that it has pulled up all of my fan pages, and of course it pulls up other things like other website custom audiences. It'll even pull up your pixels in here. You just have to scroll through all of them. And you just find the web page that you want to build a fan page that you want to build a custom audience from or a lookalike audience from, and click it. So there's a lot in here, so I'm not going to try to find Destin, Florida. Let's just click this one right here. Then you choose a country that you want to target. So we're just going to type in United States. And now it asks us, how big of a custom audience, a lookalike audience do we want to create? Remember, the lower the percentage, the better. See, at 1%, these are with 1% being the most closely matched audience to our source. So these are the top 1%, or you get the top 2%, the top 3%. And you can also go to the advanced options and create a advanced lookalike audience, which I've done an entire video on for, so you can watch that if you want to do it. So we could say, find us the top 1%. Find us another 2 million people that you feel are very, very similar to everybody else that likes my fan page. All you have to do then is hit confirm. And now you can see right here at the top where it says lookalike audience 1%, and then it has the fan page name next to it. And even right here where it says lookalike audience, under it says page. So notice we have lookalike audience, saved audiences, custom audiences. So Facebook identifies everything for us. And of course, these lookalike audiences take a minute to make. They could take 5 to 10 minutes to generate, because Facebook is basically, they're just scouring all through their users on all of Facebook in the US, trying to find people that closely match and have similarities to everybody else that currently likes your fan page. And this is a great way to scale your ads, find new audiences that are untapped, and sell your products to them. So that's it. Once it's created, it'll tell you how many people it found, and this will turn green and say it's ready to use. And if you want to write an ad to this lookalike audience, you just check the box, come over here and hit create an ad, and you can bullseye target this lookalike audience of the top 1% lookalikes based off of your fan page fans. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.